हो गई वायु, प्रदूषित हो गया जल, अब तो निकालना ही पड़ेगा इस समस्या का हल। यदि ठोस कदम नहीं उठाए गए तो बचेगा हमारा आने वाला कल, नहीं बचेगा हमारा आने वाला कल। धन्यवाद।
जैसा कि आप जानते हैं ये पॉल्यूशन के ऊपर हेलो जैसा कि आप जानते हैं पॉल्यूशन के ऊपर आप लोगों को आपको सिखाया गया है कि आपके घर के आगे कोई गंदगी नहीं होनी चाहिए। और ये एयर में जैसे आप कोई चीज़ फेंकते हैं रोड पे और अपनी गार्डनिंग वगैरह जितनी आप ट्री वगैरह अपने घर के आगे लगाई जिससे कि एयर पॉल्यूशन भी फ्री होगा और उससे चीज़ें आपकी बहुत चीज़ें काफ़ी हद तक सही होंगी। और एक मोदी का नारा है ना, स्वच्छ अभियान स्वच्छ भारत। तो हमें ये मोदी जी ने ये कही है कि हमें क्या चीज़ उन्होंने क्या सिखाया है हम लोगों को कि हमने जो चीज़ सीखा है वो उनके नेतृत्व में सीखा है। और सभी बच्चों को मैं यही कहना चाहूँगा अपने पॉल्यूशन का आगे ध्यान रखिए। बहुत बहुत बधाई सभी को, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद और थैंक यू।
Thank you very much, sir. Now I request Mrs. Anita Mahindru ma'am to say a few words for our students today. No?
Good afternoon all. So, how are you? Hope you understood what was performed today. It was regarding the pollution, right?
Silent students over here on the stage.
It's clean Agra, green Agra, right? So what do you understand by that? Clean means we need to clean our house only, we need to clean our institution also. Our surroundings, right? So now you will take the initiative to clean your surroundings.
Hello.
Yes? So what is the benefit of cleaning the surroundings? What are the benefits if our surroundings are clean? We will be away from diseases. We will be free from diseases. So every time the person comes and say plant more and more trees. Why? Afforestation. Plant more and more trees means afforestation. So why we do that? From where do we get oxygen? From trees, from plants. As you have seen in the skit, the students were carrying, the people were carrying the oxygen cylinders with them. It will happen in future, right? So do you want that? So what we need to do then? Plant trees, keep the surroundings clean so that the hygiene is maintained, right? So will you promise me to plant a tree? How many of you will plant a tree? Raise your hand. Why you are clapping? Why you are clapping? How many of you will plant a tree? Fine. Plant a tree. If everyone will plant a tree, there will be no there will be no deficiency of oxygen. So I hope that you will follow whatever was shown today and you will take the strict measures to maintain the oxygen level as well, keep the surroundings clean. Okay, clean Agra, green Agra. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your inspirational words. Put your hands together for ma'am today. And students, when you will leave the hall, teachers kindly cover the students for discipline. I request the boys from the back to stand up. The boys at the back. Teachers kindly take over the discipline of the students. Single line will move of the boys.